Welcome, Painful Budgeter. This is my mini Mondays, and it's going to be a really mini one because, I kind of got lost track on what I was using for what. So this is what's left over. But hey, it's something. Better than nothing. Oh, and I forgot okay, this is my... Is this my scratcher one? Oh, yes, it is. It's my scratcher one. And this was actually my last one. But that's not the one I wanted. I have too many ones. This is the one I wanted. That was the wrong one. Oh well. And I need to get more organized is what I need to do. I'll go and put away my ones that I have my stickers. I have a lot of had some summer stickers that I had in my cash thingy from when I went on vacation and stuff, so I used that to make a little sticker book one. Did that in the last video. So yeah, today we are doing a mini Mondays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 15. I was hoping to at least do a minimum of 20. Actually, I'd like to do $50. Hey, stay up there. Stay. Fine, don't stay. But some days you just have to adjust with what you have. And today that's what I had. All right. I don't know if I should just add this in for a spicy day. Since I can always use my fill a jar to, if anything starts getting thick, but I haven't really done it. I'm planning to do a couple more mini, bleh, God, words are easy. We're planning to do up a couple more of these mini ones for Mondays. So I at least have 12 of them, and I can roll the dice and pick as needed type of thing. Pick as needed, but kind of get randomized. I might just do that instead of actually buying some on Etsy because I bought a whole lot of the scratcher ones this last month. So I might either look for free ones, or maybe this next month I will actually add in some from other developers so they might get their name out there as well. So if you know anybody, put that in my comments of some really good not scratchers, but just kind of mini low level, cute little ones like these. But I'm probably just go and make some other ones just from my own canvas. But we've got 6 of them, and so we'll roll for 6 of them. Alrighty, we'll just mix them up here. So. Bunny. And I'll just do, there's 15 here, so I might just do $3. So yeah. And then whatever's left over, I'll just roll and add an extra one. And need some more dice. Oh, that's the wrong dice. That's the wrong dice. Come on. That's the wrong dice. That's the wrong dice. Ah, here we go. Alrighty. 3. 1, 2, and 3. Like I said, this is going to be a really short one. 6. 1, 2. Got a spicy 6. And then 5. 1, 2, and 3. And I've got 2 left. I'm going to get me one more $1 just so I have it even. I need to fill up my dollar jar again. I just read my last $1 and 3. So we only got 4 of them today. Yeah, I might just have to make it a little short out of this. Or I might just add it on to my other scratchers. Who knows? I might just do that and use that as mini Mondays and normal scratchers. Some days you just want something you can watch really quick when you're doing stuff in the background too. So that's always good to have one that has a little bit smaller amounts. Let's put this back so I'm not losing all my stuff. Get me some coffee, and these 2 didn't get any love this week. Oh, my poor baby. She didn't get any flowers this week. So I got hey, that didn't get any love on this last week. Let's get put this here. Get this here. Get this here. And I'll put these over. over here. Got my Kiss My Donkey. And maybe I will do him for $3. Oh, you can't see that. $3. I will have to just paint him and other things, but yeah, he has a little donkey on it. Very light kind of writing. It's kind of hard to see. We'll just do him red today. And get him all. Yeah, he's a little harder to see. I might have to find a. Next time I do this one, I might have to find a different donkey. Different donkey. Yeah. Ah, well. Might have to just do a donkey head, but I like that it has the butt showing. It's cute. It's cute. Probably be better if I did that in pencil and not had it all done up in the laminate, because then it'd be easier to color him in. But you learn. Let's fix my dollar bills so I'm not yelling at myself and editing. But dude, fix your box, dude. Okay, this one. Yeah, I need to make these taller because everything just falls over. And I've got $7 on here. And these are $2, so I'll have to color one of these halfway. Alrighty, let's do some blue. How about a darker blue? There we go. And I am not even going to fast forward through this since this is going to be quite a short one. So you get to watch me color in squares and stuff. 2, 4, and 6, and I have 7 there. So I will do a half of one. Yeah, that one doesn't smell as bad as Sharpie. Get that a little more. Stay. Let's not flip everybody off. Let's not flip everyone off. I'm like staring at myself. Dude, you're flipping people off. All right. Got one spicy bill in there. 5, 6, 7, 8, and $9 so far. And I'm just counting that $5 bill as a $2 bill. Or wait, no, I guess I did count it as a normal bill. I guess I should have counted it as like a $2 bill. That's okay. It's okay. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see. Like this is going to be one that I was going to do as a scratcher. But some days, next time when I find my scratchers, that's the problem. I have no idea what I did with my scratchers. Blue. I don't know. Let's see. Green. Green might not show up. Let's just do a black. Let's do a $2. I'm going to leave it so I can actually see that. And a $1. I don't know, maybe I'll times like this line. Once I get this whole line in, maybe I'll times that line. And once I get these lines in, I'll times that by 3 or whichever lines it's done first. I don't know. 2, 3. But like I said, this is not actually a small one, but I needed the extra. I needed 6 of them, so I'm using it this time. This will be my sneaky, slightly bigger one, I guess. Oh, what do I have in here so far? 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. These dollar bills are nasty. 9, 10, 11 and 12 bucks so far in that. Come on, get in there. 12 bucks. 12 bucks. Come on. And the last one we have is just $3 for the roll the dice. This is kind of another slightly larger one. Maybe I will do a 2 or maybe just a 3. Do an ugly brown. And I'll just do a 2. Actually, it looks more of a reddish kind of red brown. And a 1. Actually, it's not that bad of color. It's like coffee. Yum. Not too bad of a color, actually. There I go. I still have like ink and stuff on my fingers, so I wouldn't really know. And there should be $4 in here. Yep, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. All of them all done up. So there's a mini Mondays for you. Probably nice and short and sweet one. But I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am. Now that I have my new phone, except for the part of actually paying for it, that's always not fun, but about $400 bucks. But I had the cash, which is really, before I started doing all these cash stuffing and stuff, I would have just have to finance it, put it off as long as I could, and just, then I'd end up having to get into it or use my Visa and then gradually pay that off and then do it again on the next big ticket item that I needed. But now I actually had the money for it. It kind of slowed me down in this process, but that's the point of having this money and doing this stuff. So you actually have the money to use it. So that's always nice. I will see you next time. Enjoy your Monday when this comes out. I'm going to be having, doing a lot of videos all at once and putting in the computer and editing. So I will see you next time. Thank you. Love from the Painful Budgeter.